18 million people will experience significant knee pain this year, leading to surgery. You can choose to recover the traditional way, or you can choose to recover the ROMTech way. Introducing ROMTech's Portable Connect, the next generation in rehab technology. With the Portable Connect, you take control of your recovery process. Customized rehabilitation in the comfort of your own home means you will return to your life faster. Our adjustable pedal technology allows you to start your recovery on day one after surgery. Each Portable Connect comes equipped with patented telemedicine features designed for routine visits, along with teletherapy, allowing the surgeon and their staff to review results and make remote adjustments to the patient's custom treatment plan. Patients also report pain levels before and after their sessions, enabling surgeons to remotely monitor pain levels. These features together assist in anticipating complications and preventing readmissions when possible, all without patients ever having to leave their home. Our smart accessory, the AccuAngle, measures range of motion as you progress and keeps your doctor updated on your recovery in real time. Patient representatives are located in the United States and are available 24/7 for your support. Get back to life faster. Recover the ROMTech way.